This tutorial will provide you with an overview of how to download and install Wasabi Explorer. Wasabi Explorer is a free app that enables you to share files between your Windows host and the Wasabi Hot Cloud Storage service. Before we get started, there are a few prerequisites for using Wasabi Explorer. First, you must have a valid Wasabi storage account and a Wasabi API access key set. If you are unsure of how to set up an account or access your key set, please see our Quick Start tutorial video that's linked on the wasabi.com/help page. You must also have a minimum Windows OS version of Windows 7, 8, or 10, or a version of Windows Server 2008 or higher. Additionally, there are several minimum system requirements that must be met before installing Wasabi Explorer. To install Wasabi Explorer to your PC, you first need to download the install package. This can be accessed on the Wasabi Explorer Knowledge Base article under Installation Instructions. After downloading, follow the installation prompts. When prompted to enter your email address, you can use the same email that you used with your Wasabi account. Our next step covers configuring Wasabi Explorer to connect to Wasabi. First, navigate to the File menu and click Wasabi. In the Add New Account screen, enter your preferred display name and your Wasabi API access key and secret key. Keep the Use SSL option checked. You can then use the Test Connection button to verify that Wasabi Explorer can talk to Wasabi and the API key set is validated. You will receive the connection success message if the connectivity and key validation are successful. Once the Wasabi connection is built, you will see Wasabi show up on the list of registered accounts. To set up Wasabi Explorer for file transfer, select My Computer as the source and Wasabi as the destination. At this point, Wasabi Explorer is ready for use. All of the existing Wasabi storage buckets should be available. If you wish to create a new bucket, you can do so by selecting the blue cube and giving your bucket a name. You can also select your preferred storage region. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Wasabi Explorer experience.